everyone. My name is Lenrose Andoy from Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. So we are going to talk about the lowering of criminal responsibility into 9 years old. Should we lower the criminal age into 9 years old? That is the question. They say that children are the hope of our future and the instrument for the development of our nation. If it is a child, we should protect them and educate them, not put them into jail, right? Children is not responsible for the increasing crime rates that is happening here in the Philippines. Lowering the criminal age will not do any help to the country, but it will just cause harm to the children, and the adults might take advantage of it. If this happens, the accountability of the adult that is in charge of the children's safety will be disregarded if they will be labeled as criminal. It just means that we fail to protect the children's well-being and safety if they will be punished. Yes, some other children fail to conduct their part of responsibility that is bestowed upon them. And I know that the justice system of this country is just doing their job. But remember that we have a law that is concerned about the protection of the children, which is the Republic Act number 9344, and this act shall be known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006. It shall cover the different stages involving children at risk and children in conflict with the law, from prevention to rehabilitation and reintegration. The state shall protect the best interest of the child through measures that will ensure the observance of international standards of child protection, especially those to which the Philippines is a party. Proceedings before any authority shall be conducted in the best interest of the child and in manners which allows them to participate and to express himself or herself freely. The participation of children in the program and policy formulation and implementation related to juvenile justice and welfare shall be ensured by the concerned government agency. As mandated by the law, if a child commits something bad, they must be turned over into a rehabilitation center like the SWD, also known as the Department of Social Welfare and Development. If a child have done something, they should be rehabilitated because a 9 years old child has not yet entered puberty and their brains have not yet developed to understand the consequences of their actions. Also, as a signatory to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, UNICEF assists the Philippine government so that they can ensure the safety of the children against crime and violence. And because of this, lowering of criminal responsibility into 9 years old can be classified as a form of violence against children. Lowering the criminal age to 9 years old will only put the children into danger, and it will also affect the nation's development and future. Instead of bringing them to threat, we should help them and do our best to save the children.